My name is John. I was just put on the board as Vice President of the Wolves organization. My son is part of the organization. This is our 3rd year that he's playing. It's a fantastic group. Chris, the rest of the board, all the coaching staff, the team moms, our facilities are AAA. There is no other organization that I could think I would want my son or the rest of the children in Wellington to play for.
Well, it's a good organization. When we go on far trips, we all stay in the same hotel. It's like a big family. I play on the 4th grade team. It's fun. We do a lot of things together.
The parents are supportive. They're great coaching. It's so well run. It's organized. There's a lot of things that happen in travel basketball that you don't have to worry about when you come to Wellington.
We have great organizational leadership at the top, from the parents to the players. When we go to a tournament, people really know who we are. We have great facilities, great uniforms, just a first-class organization from top to bottom.
Finished yet. Zen B style.